Alright, so here's how to stop high internet data usage on Windows 11. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the settings. Here you go. Then from here on the left side, you need to go with the network and internet. You need to tap on that. And then from here, you need to go to the properties. Alright. Then on this option, you need to turn on metered connection. As you can see, it is turned on, so you need to turn this on. So metered connection is now turned on. Alright. Then you can go back and here click on the data usage. You need to tap on that, and then you can simply limit your data. So suppose you have bought like 10 GB or 15 GB and you want to use it for like 30 days, then you can limit it up. Like as you can see, we can make a limit of daily, which is like 2 GB or 1 GB. You can limit from here. So I will select one. For the unit, I will go with GB. So that's how you can limit the data so that you cannot exceed this limit. So that's how you can turn this on. So once you have set up the limit, you can again simply go and search for Windows Update. Alright, here is the Windows Update settings. You need to turn this on again. So from here, as you can see, there are Windows updates, but we don't want to update the Windows, so we will tap on the pause updates and extend for 1 week, like that. Just tap on that, and the update will be paused for like 1 month, so it will not get any kind of data from your internet. All right, so here is one of the thing. All right, then again you need to go to the search bar and search for services and simply open it up. There you go. Now you need to find out Windows Update. All right, simply find out the Windows Update. So let me just find out for you real quick. Here you go. So here is the Windows Update. You need to select that one. Simply go with the manual to disable, select this and simply tap on apply and tap on OK. So that's how you can remove the background data usage done by the Windows updates. So one thing you can do it for sure, that is to again go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store and go to the Microsoft Store. Then you need to go with the profile button right above it and then go to the settings. All right, so for the app updates, we want to cancel it, like it won't update the apps automatically, so we need to turn these settings off. So then again you need to close it up, and for the last step you can go to the settings again and go to the apps, and now go to the installed application. So from here you need to first what you're gonna do, simply go to the networks and data usage. So as you can see, we have been using in the Chrome like 616 MB. So I think if you find out any of the application like taking your lots of data but you don't know which application is this, then you can simply go to the apps. First check out from the data usage which app it is. So first check it from here and then go to the apps, then install the apps and find out the application and simply go and install the application. All right, so rather than that, you can do another thing, like you can click on the 3 dots. If you get the advanced option, you can tap on that. Then from here you can probably see background app permission, so you need to select that one and tap on never. So that's how you can simply fix Windows 11 high data usage, or you can save some data from this by doing all of these settings. All right, so I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.